Did you know your phone's camera can be turned on without your knowledge? Here's how to stop it. First, open your Settings app. Now navigate to the Option Apps. From the list of app, find Camera. Once you find it, launch it. Now head over to the option Permissions. Then tap three dots in the top right and select All Permissions. Here you will notice the camera has network access, meaning it could potentially send data online. Go back to the App Info page and tap Change System Settings. Then turn off the toggle to prevent hidden system level camera activation. Now I can hit back. Still in the camera app info, tap battery and change the background usage to restrict it so the camera only runs when you open it. Now to see which apps recently used your camera, go back to settings. Now navigate to the option privacy and security. Scroll to privacy and select permissions used in last 24 hours. Then choose camera. You will see a list of every app that accessed it. Tap three dots and choose Manage Apps with this permission. Then select all third-party apps to access every time so your camera cannot activate without your approval. Now your privacy is protected and your camera only turns on when you allow it. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.